Introduction. Understanding arrays and their properties is crucial for mastering JavaScript. The array length property is fundamental to manipulating arrays in JavaScript. Understanding JavaScript array length. JavaScript array length property is an inbuilt property that returns the number of elements in an array. The length property counts from 1 like the array or index that begins from 0. The length property is dynamic. It changes when you add or remove elements from the array. Manipulating JavaScript array length, you can set the length property to a certain value. If set to a value less than the current number of elements, it will remove the extra elements. If set to a value greater than the current number of elements, it will add undefined elements to the array. You can use the length property to add elements at the end of the array. Common errors and tips. Off by 1 error occurs when you use the length property as an index, forgetting that indices start at 0. Always remember to subtract 1 from the length when using it as an index. Setting the length property to a non-integer value will round the value down to the nearest integer, which can lead to unexpected results. Always ensure the value you're setting for the length property is an integer. Setting the length property to a negative value will throw a range error. Always ensure the value you're setting for the length property is positive. Conclusion: the array length property in JavaScript is a powerful tool that allows you to manipulate arrays with ease. It's essential to understand this property in depth to avoid common errors and utilize its full potential.